Hello guys! Today we are in nature! Yeah! Okay! Say it again. See, where's Rosalinda? Okay! This is gonna be fun! Woo! I'm okay! I'm okay! That was fun! Let's go back downstairs and eat again! Okay! We're going to eat again! And 3, 2, 1! We're okay! At least I think. Now that was hurtful! Oh, what a wonderful day, Kwoly! Look at that! Look at the wow! You gotta go. This is so beautiful! You gotta get closer. Wow, look at that! Yes! I wish Siren Head was not here. What do you mean, Siren Head? Siren Head doesn't exist, silly. But Siren Head looks realistic. Duh. Yeah, but Siren Head isn't real. Okay. Fine, Siren Head. He isn't real. Oh. Look at the nature. Look at that nature. I saw an eagle. Look at that sun. I'm gonna wee back a bit. I'm gonna just push myself. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Are you okay, Kwoly? Yep, I'm okay. I'm just gonna wee myself. Yeah. Yeah, me too. If we were at the park or the beach, this would be better of eating. Yeah. We can eat off of the playground. Actually, you can slide down. Yeah, that would be so fun, but we can't. Let's just yeet. 3, 2, and a 2, and a 1. Woo! Woo! We made it together! Woo! That was so much fun. Look at me. Hello, Kwoly. Do you want to eat again? Actually, try to climb up there and throw eating sound. Okay. Let's go. Come on. I'm coming. Dogs are the best climbers. Okay. My turn. Oh! That's so fun. Yeah, it is. Let's eat again. Woo! Actually, like and subscribe for part 2.